ensure the base is completely level. If the base is not level, then this particular building should not be installed, as the roof alignment will be affected. Place the floor on the level base. If the building is 10 foot, then you must screw the two sectioned floors together through the overlapping board. Construct 8 sides of the building, making sure the angled face of the leg section are flush on the inside to form an octagonal onto the completed floor section. The sides have approximately 3/4 of an inch overlap at the base, and use the 50mm screws to secure to the floor. Check that the building is parallel to the floor shape and that the diagonals are equal before screwing to the floor. There are 2 decorative doorway supports that need to be screwed to the section which will form the entrance to the building in the top corners. Apply roof sections, making sure the angled base rail is within the inside of the side section top rail. Apply 3 40mm screws to each roof rail, angling the screws central to the section, taking care not to penetrate the adjoining rail. Before the final section is put into position, the frame top capping needs to be put in place, and apply silicone film to the base of the finial before attaching to the top capping. Apply silicone film around the side of the angle framework, then put into position on top of the roof. Check that the capping sits on the tiles in the correct position. View from outside of the building before fixing with the 40mm screws. Fix the inner capping with the beveled edge up with 16 60mm screws where required into the roof framework. Seal the join by using a generous amount of silicone down each of the joining roof sections, and then bridge the join with an additional strip of felt to protect the silicone. Screw ply to the base of the roof before fitting fascia boards onto the roof base section, making sure all ends overlap the screw with the fascia boards using 50mm screws. Then fit the angled small corner strips to finish off the fascia boards, making a clean and tidy finish. The final stage is to construct the seat and position appropriately. This is the untreated part of the building. The building is treated with a quality water-based wood preservative. Upon installation, it is recommended that it be retreated within 3 months and annually thereafter to prolong the building's life.